Hello viewers, my name is Tammy. I'll be teaching you today how to set up a database. So to get started, you are going to set up a fresh PostgreSQL database and populate it with dataset. That is what we're going to be doing today basically. So if you're using a Mac, Linux or Windows, so you just need to select one. So basically, I'm currently using a Windows. So the next thing you're going to do is to download the installer. Then you click on the most recent version for 64-bit, but the most recent one for 32-bit is this, but I am using 64-bit, then I will choose this. So I'm gonna save it here on my desktop. So it doesn't take up to 1 minute before it finishes downloading. Before we now go ahead to install it. So now, as you can see, it was completed. So we have to save it. So it saves somewhere here on my computer. Sorry. So it saves somewhere here. Let me see. So I'm gonna do next. Next. So if you don't need this, you might want to, uncheck the stack builder. Then the next one will be next. Next. Then you put your password. So please provide a password for the database super user. So can you see port? Port is showing as 5432. You can take note of that. So will personally leave it as default locale. That doesn't really matter. So the setup is now ready to begin installing Postgre on your computer. You click next. So this could take a while. So be patient. So it's almost ready. Be patient. Wait patiently. So you see? So the next thing to do is open the SQL shell. You see, it's now open, it's ready for use. Now let's start to set it up precisely. So the next thing is for server, you will not input anything for database, nothing for port. And the next one is going to be your username. So for me, I'm going to put this. Enter for your password. You remember what you created it last time when you were setting it up? Yeah, it's ready. The food is ready. The database is ready for your use. So what I'm going to be doing now is to create um, is ready to use. I would like to create a table. So create a table. I will call my table name user. So username varchar. I will put 30. Admin as boolean. Then I will close it. You see, my table is ready. It's ready for use. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to insert. I'm going to add users to it. Insert into users, username, admin, values. Next thing is I'm going to use, I'll just use one. Now, if you like, you can use anything. I'll do true. For me, I will just put John, comma. We'll do true, comma. I'm just going to create tree for now. We'll do test, comma, comma. We do false. Then we can now close it. You see? So I'm going to be writing a select statement. So select all from users. You see? It's created. And that is it. It's as simple as that. So so far so good. Everything is all set. So please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and if you have any question, you can always chat it, send me questions on under the comment section. Thank you. Do have a great day.